Hi everyone, welcome back to Dr. Saurabh's classes, and we were doing some CUET question paper solutions. So we have already, as I was about to take a class regarding this particular with this paper, so somehow it didn't work out. So what we are doing is we are offering this a free class for all of you. It will be in YouTube, so you can just check it and learn from here. So let's just and we are doing CUET English paper. Okay, let me write down CUET English. Okay, CUET English paper we are doing. So we are trying for we are teaching this so that you can learn sitting back at home and you do not feel any there's a subconscious mind going on in our head at this all the time that can I able to solve this, can I able to do that, because there are people who are quite afraid of this particular language English, especially students who come from vernacular medium of schooling. They think that it's quite difficult, it's quite hard, but trust me, it is not. It's just a language and it's easier than your vernacular language. I, being a Bengali, I've studied both English and Bengali, and for me English is way easier than Bengali. Yeah, definitely Bengali is my mother tongue, so I will definitely prioritize it at any moment, at any time, and I will definitely feel proud about it. So you should feel proud about your own mother tongue or own native language, but at the same time this language is dominating the world. You cannot deny it. This language is dominating the world. So wherever you go, at what point in time you go, and whatever job you do, you have to learn this language. And for that reason, even in our colleges, if you were studying in any medium, if you're studying in even if you're studying in your mother tongue, if you're studying in your vernacular language medium in college, if you are aiming for higher education, you have got no choice learning apart from learning this language. So in CUET, in entrance level, if you face this kind of challenges, it is just I think a baby step to take this challenge and to overcome this challenge. And people who will be appearing for who are coming from English medium school, they already have gone through these kind of hurdles, these kind of red tapes. It's just for you people who are from vernacular medium to learn it, and these grammars are quite easy. I have kept it in level 1. There are level 10, they are till level 10. I don't think CUET even has ever asked any question till level 10. They just stick to level 5 or 6. Okay, and let's start today's. So identify the error. She don't like coffee. She don't like coffee, and you have to find out the error in this one, and the options are she don't like coffee. Which one? Tell me. It's don't. Okay, it's don't. Whenever we are talking about third person, like or he or she, or if you are naming someone Pooja, Pooja, Dinesh, if you are talking about these people, yeah, I am a millennial person, so my names won't be Zayan, Kian, Rian, Dian, because I still use all this kind of Pooja, Dinesh, Neha, Rahul types of name. So if we are talking about third person, not me and not you, not me, not you. So apart from me and you, if you're talking about he, if you're talking about she, if you're talking about anyone else, then after that it won't be do, it will be does and does not, because she doesn't like coffee. Okay, does. And after should, it always be does, because we are talking about you should go, you should I should have gone. Should, after should, it's like it's not normal, it's not. So it won't be do, it would be do, it won't be do, or it won't be don't, it won't be do or it won't be don't, it will be does. Okay, if you're talking about some other person, it will always be does. So if I say that I don't, I can say that I don't like it, but if I use for me, for myself, if I use should. Okay, now I have told you that for third person, like for third person, what we are doing, we are using doesn't. If I talk about myself, I should, I can't say should over here. I will say I don't like it. I don't like it. Okay, like coffee, like it. You don't like tea, you don't like it. You don't like it. Clear? Let me give it over here. So if it's for he, if it's for she, if it's for any third person, it can be Rahul, Pooja, Anjali. Okay, so Karthi, anybody. Okay, then it can be anybody. Everything, it won't, every time it's a third person apart from me and you, it will be does not, does or does not. Either does if it like, if he likes it. I do love coffee. I do love coffee. I do not like love coffee. See, I do love coffee. I do not love coffee. So, and she does not love coffee. She does love coffee. She does or he does or does not. And for me and you, it will always be don't. Either do or don't. You do not love tea. I do not or don't, whatever, do not या don't, जो भी कहो, love coffee. She doesn't. She does not. Okay, clear? Now next one, they dash playing football. What will be the blank of what will be the word that you should put it in the blank? It's easiest, they are, because it's a plural. Okay, he is, she is, Rahul is, Priya is. If it's a present tense, present. Okay, but again if it's a past, then was. Okay, इस सबके लिए होगा अगर प्रेजेंट टेंस में है, सबके लिए was होगा अगर पास्ट टेंस में बात कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. नाउ इफ अबाउट दे आर, we are. Okay, if you're talking about more than one people, more than one person, if you're talking about more than one person, we, then it will be we are, they are. Past tense, they were, we were. And over here we have gone one hour, that is present, they are playing football. वो लोग अभी फुटबॉल खेल रहा है. ठीक है, क्लियर हो गया. Now identify the error. He has went to the market. He has went market. बताओ. ये went. This is wrong. Why this is wrong? Tell me. Why this is wrong? Because after he, has or have, if you're, it's not about he, it's about has or have. Okay, if you're talking about has or have, I have gone, not went. After writing has or have, it's not versus past participle, not not the past tense. So after has or have, it will be always what? Past participle. It will be always past participle and not past tense. If went, then no has. He went to the market. This is also correct. This is also correct. But if he has gone, he has gone to the market. Clear? Now you can choose either has you can choose or went you can choose. So he has no, he has gone. Or if you are choosing went, you can say, if you are choosing has, then he went to the market. If you are choosing went, you have to choose that he has gone to the market. Clear? Now this is another page. We will do this and we will end the video. Okay. Fill in the blanks. I have been living here dash 2010. Tell me. See, whenever we are learning like this, I have been living here, lots of people will do from. No, it's wrong. It's since. It is since. It is since. I have been living here since 2010. See, if you are talking about long duration, okay, maybe 10 years, 5 years, 6 years, or sometimes it happens like this. It has been raining since Monday. Since means long time back. So today is Wednesday or Thursday, and probably it has been raining. So what we can say, has been raining since Monday. Monday থেকে বৃষ্টি পড়ছে, मंडे থেকে मंडे से बारिश हो रहा है. ठीक है, मंडे से बारिश हो रहा है. तो मंडे से बारिश हो रहा है, क्या कहेंगे? सिंस. और अगर हम कहे कि और अगर हम ये कहे कि मैं ये कुछ दिनों से कर रहा हूँ, आई हैव बीन डूइंग दिस वर्क, आई हैव बीन डूइंग दिस वर्क, पर कोई डेट का उच्चारण नहीं कर रहा हो, या मंडे ट्यूसडे भी नहीं बोल रहा, तो क्या बोलोगे? क्या बोलोगे आप? फॉर पास्ट फ्यू डेज. ओके. अगर कोई स्पेसिफिक टाइम मेंशन है, जैसे कि 2010, जैसे कि मंडे, ठीक है, ट्यूसडे, ऐसे डेट, टाइम्स, प्लेस मेंशन है, तो ये हो जाएगा सिंस. Even if there is no specific time or date mentioned, like for past few days, for like every time I am saying for is coming in my mouth, because so I am so used to it. So if I say past few days, past few hours, past few moments, it's for. I have been living here for past few days, I have been doing this for past few days. अगर तुम बहुत जल्दी यहाँ पे बहुत कुछ दिनों से ही आए हो, तो आप क्या कहोगे? I have been living here for past few days. But if you say I have been living here dash 2010 for 2000, no, I have been living here since 2010. तब से लेके आज तक मैं यहाँ पे हूँ. ठीक है, तब से मैं रह रहा हूँ यहाँ पे. क्लियर हो गया? नेक्स्ट, आइडेंटिफाई द एरर. Each of the students are present. क्या होगा? each का क्या मतलब होता है? What is the meaning of each? Each, every, what does it mean? Means one. Each means each one of them, every one of them. Okay, each means one. Okay, and 30 rupees each. When we say, suppose a mango is this sign means 30 rupees each. एक मैंगो की प्राइस, एक पीस मैंगो की प्राइस है 30 रुपए. सो ईच का मतलब है एक, वन. अब क्या बोले? ईच ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स, मतलब एक भी स्टूडेंट, एक ईच ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स आर प्रेजेंट. आर नहीं होगा, इज होगा यहाँ पे. ठीक है, क्योंकि हम एक के बात कर रहे हैं कि सब में से ईच ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स, पूरा स्टूडेंट के जो झुंड है, स्टूडेंट तो एक झुंड में आते हैं, एक पूरा क्लास के स्टूडेंट होगा, ठीक है। हर एक स्टूडेंट्स, इसका मतलब है हर एक स्टूडेंट प्रेजेंट है। ईच ऑफ द स्टूडेंट, अब जब वन है तो इज होगा, आर नहीं होगा। आया समझ? हर एक स्टूडेंट प्रेजेंट है। ईच ऑफ द स्टूडेंट में ग्रुप में से एक 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 करके ईच ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स, जब हम स्टूडेंट्स बोलेंगे एक एक करके सबको जोड़ देंगे तब स्टूडेंट्स हो जाएगा, ठीक है। और स्टूडेंट इटसेल्फ मतलब स्टूडेंट्स का एक झुंड हो रहा है, ठीक है, एक क्लास फुल ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स। तो एक एक करके सबके बाद हर एक बच्चा प्रेजेंट है। तो ईच ऑफ द स्टूडेंट की जब बात हो रहा है तो ईच का क्या हो, ईच के बारे में बात करें तो इज हो जाएगा इज। समझ में आया? नेक्स्ट, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। शी इज अफ्रेड, अफ्रेड के बाद ऑफ कोर्स हर वक्त ऑफ होता है। अफ्रेड ऑफ, फ्रॉम नहीं, अफ्रेड ऑफ। आई एम क्वाइट अफ्रेड ऑफ दिस थिंग्स। अफ्रेड के लिए सबसे, अफ्रेड के साथ हर वक्त ऑफ। कुछ चीज़ें होते हैं, अफ्रेड फ्रॉम भी हो सकता है, मैं उनसे बहुत डरती हूँ, पर ये नहीं होता है इंग्लिश में। कुछ चीज़ होते हैं जिसको आपको रट्टा लगाना पड़ता है। अफ्रेड ऑफ, ओके, इन स्पाइट ऑफ। और डिस्पाइट के पीछे क्या होता है? कुछ नहीं। डिस्पाइट का मतलब ही है और इन स्पाइट ऑफ। डिस्पाइट के पीछे ऑफ नहीं होता है, ठीक है। इन स्पाइट ऑफ, अफ्रेड ऑफ। रिफ्रेन फ्रॉम, ये सारी चीज़ें प्रोनाउंस में आते हैं, ठीक है। समझ में आ गया? क्लियर? चलो, इसके साथ इस वीडियो को हम यहाँ पे एंड करते हैं। नेक्स्ट वीडियो पे क्या है देख लेते हैं थोड़ा सा। हाँ, यहाँ पे भी वही एरर है, तो ये वाला सेक्शन, हम लोग ऑरेंज वाला सेक्शन नेक्स्ट क्लास में करेंगे। तब तक आप लोग थोड़ा सा हमारे साथ बने रहिए। वी विल बी कमिंग वेरी शॉर्टली। हैव अ लवली डे, टेक केयर, बाय बाय।